Hi guys, today we will talk about how to find popular posts on your Reddit app or popular any post you want on your Reddit. All you have to do, you just go up here on home. We will go to find this way or know how we can do that. You just click here on home and it's going to show for you this window and you click here on popular here and it's going to give you trending today or trending post on Reddit so you can find trending post here in this window and you can find this post. So that's all you have to do to find the trading posts on your Reddit app in this day. So just follow these ways and it's going to take you to this window. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.